Okay, we're here at MK Marina in Kitimat. We're heading out to do some fishing. We're going to find out if the king crab and the springs are here. So we'll let you know once we get started. Be in touch soon. Okay, we're just leaving Kitimat and this is where we're headed. Beautiful day, and it's going to take about an hour, hour and a half to get to where we're going for the first night, and we'll talk to you when we get there. You guys, I had to do one more shot of what we're cruising through. This is absolute heaven. Oh, water. It just doesn't get any better than this. Alright. And this is why we're here. We got a king crab. So we'll get back to you when we get a few more. Downhill. So I cleaned the crab. Maintain the shell on it, so it's legal for transport. See it right here? Got it right here. Cut that open. Spray that out a bit. And you can reach in while holding it. Get all the gills off with the one finger in there. Like so. And then transfer it. Reach in now to the other side. Give it a quick spray out. One perfectly clean crab, ready for transport. GoPro, turn off. Just hit the top button. Okay, heading up to the hot tub. I got it, and I'm bringing this. So we head up the ramp. All right, how's it going, guys?
A hose, jobby hose.
Got my pressure washer. Nice. Okay, well, this is it here. There's some people visiting. I'm doing the first time.
Yeah, normally you have a bath in there, but it was pretty nasty.
Oh yeah, so you drained her, eh?
So I drained it, and now I'm gonna pressure wash it out, and then get all the goop out.
Crazy.
It'll pull up by the morning. Usually we soap off down there and then enjoy it up here.
So I turned it off.
Yeah, this is my favorite place in the world. GoPro, turn off. Well, we got another beautiful day here at Bishop Bay, British Columbia. Take a nice look around. Nice, beautiful, calm waters. Cannot ask for anything better.
Yeah, get off for the
What? GoPro, stop recording. Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it. Yep, whatever you want. Yep.
Okay, now hold, you're going to take the weight.
I got it, yep.
Take this one off here.
Okay.
That's our biggest fucking score ever, man.
Oh, by a long shot.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
You come pull your fingers in. That's lively, man.
Here we go. This is the last day. We're just catching the last couple of crab. There's one in there. Corbin's afraid to grab onto it and show you. Come on, man.
I don't see you doing it. I've seen you purposely let them flap you, so. Told you, place the fucker.
Okay, that was a little crazy. Well, I can't see what I'm doing.